The Clarendon police have listed the following persons as wanted. They are being urged to turn themselves into the police immediately. The men are wanted for various serious offenses. They are Leon Rose, otherwise called Hitler, or Diggs, age 25, from Efferville in Maypen, Clarendon. He is of brown complexion and slim built and is wanted for murder. Fitzroy Kerr, otherwise called OJ, 25, of Alexander Drive, Clarendon. He is of brown complexion, medium built, and is about 170 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches tall, and is wanted for murder. Delroy Burkett, otherwise called Little D, age 18, of Hines Fields, Racecourse, Clarendon. Burkett is of brown complexion, medium built, and is about 165 centimeters, 5 feet 5 inches tall, and is wanted for murder. Anthony Powell, otherwise called Never, age 17, of Hindfield. He is of dark complexion, medium built, and is about 170 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches tall, and is wanted for murder. Delroy Burkett, otherwise called Little D, age 18, of Hines Fields, Racecourse, Clarendon. Burkett is of brown complexion, medium built, and is about 165 centimeters, 5 feet 5 inches tall, and is wanted for murder. Zemar Nelson, otherwise called Dylan and Terminator Boy, age 25, of Buzzrock, Elfort Villa, Clarendon. He is wanted for murder and shooting with intent. He is of dark complexion, stout built, and is about 175 centimeters, 5 feet 9 inches tall. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.